In today's fast-paced world, we're seeing a revolution. And it's all thanks to artificial intelligence, or AI for short. This technology is changing how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It's like we're living in a big, exciting science experiment. And we're the main characters. AI is like a new friend, helping us out in different jobs and activities, making things easier and more interesting. Whether it's in hospitals helping doctors, in fields assisting farmers, or in schools aiding teachers, AI is there, lending a helping hand. This story is about how AI is mixing things up in 10 different jobs. It's about how this technology is becoming a part of our everyday lives, helping us create, learn, and explore new things. We're going to see how AI is making waves in everything, from cooking delicious meals to building new things and even protecting our planet. So, come along. Let's take a journey together and see how AI is opening new doors, creating exciting possibilities, and shaping a future full of discovery and wonder for all of us. Computer programmers. Computer programmers, the architects behind applications like Facebook and Google, are now being assisted by AI tools like GitHub Copilot, which suggests better ways to write code and finds mistakes before they become problems. This is like having a smart assistant that can write code, making the job of programmers easier. However, it still has some way to go before it completely replaces programmers. Another example is ChatGPT, which can also write code, applying deep learning to detect coding errors and produce written answers to questions. Medical diagnosticians. Medical diagnosticians, who are crucial in detecting diseases and medical conditions, are now utilizing AI to improve diagnostics, enabling personalized medicine, and enhancing telemedicine. For instance, machine learning algorithms are facilitating early disease detection and more accurate diagnoses, allowing healthcare practitioners to customize treatment plans for each patient's unique genetic makeup. AI is also integrated with wearable devices and IoT-enabled health monitoring systems, continuously collecting valuable patient data like heart rate, blood pressure, and glucose levels. Agricultural farmers. Farmers are employing AI to monitor crops, predict yields, and keep pests at bay. AI-enabled precision farming helps farmers make data-driven decisions to optimize irrigation, improve fertilization, and reduce waste. Farmers are also embracing autonomous tractors and machinery to increase productivity and precision in their processes. Journalists. Journalists, the pursuers of truth, are navigating the waters of AI-generated narratives. AI is being used to synthesize information and craft narratives, maintaining the essence of journalistic integrity in the digital age. For example, AI tools can automate the writing of news articles, especially for topics like sports scores or financial reports, allowing journalists to focus on more complex stories. Architects. Architects are utilizing AI to reimagine the world and optimize the dance of light and space. AI helps in creating sustainable and visionary designs by analyzing various factors and suggesting improvements, enabling architects to focus on the creative aspect of their work. Chefs. Chefs are integrating AI to craft gastronomic symphonies. AI analyzes various flavor profiles and suggests new and innovative recipes, allowing chefs to experiment with flavors and create unique dishes. For example, IBM's Chef Watson can generate recipes by analyzing the chemical composition of ingredients, helping chefs to create novel culinary creations. Educators. Educators are using AI to personalize the learning experience and democratize knowledge. AI analyzes students' learning patterns and suggests personalized learning materials, making education more inclusive and effective. For instance, platforms like Newton provide adaptive learning technology to personalize digital courses so students can learn more efficiently. Environmental scientists. Environmental scientists are leveraging AI to monitor ecosystems and predict environmental changes. AI analyzes various environmental parameters and suggests preventive measures to maintain ecological balance. For example, AI models are used to predict climate change impacts and help in formulating strategies to mitigate adverse effects. Retail salespersons. Retail salespersons are enhancing customer interaction with the help of AI. AI analyzes customer behavior and preferences to provide a personalized shopping experience. For instance, AI chatbots provide instant responses to customer queries, improving customer service and increasing productivity. Manufacturing workers. Manufacturing workers are integrating AI to enhance production and maintain quality. AI monitors the manufacturing process and detects defects in products, ensuring the quality of the products. For example, AI-powered robots are used in assembly lines to increase productivity and precision in manufacturing processes. Each of these professions is experiencing the transformative impact of AI, reshaping their traditional practices and exploring new possibilities in their respective fields. The integration of AI is not just about automation but about enhancing human capabilities and pushing the boundaries of what is possible.